In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new brushes to Photoshop. So first of all, go onto the internet, download whatever you want. Now, once you've downloaded it, it'll probably be a zip file. Make sure to unzip it. The way you can unzip it is show in folder, right click it, and press extract all and extract. This should make a new folder, and you can see it's here with the brushes in. Now, I'm going to drag this over here. You want to go onto Photoshop, click on the brushes section. Now click onto here where it shows the different brush settings and right click down here on these folders. Then there's a setting here that says import brushes. Now you want to go on here and find the brush that you just downloaded. I'm going to go here into a new tab and just drag it into here like that. Load. Cool. And now I've loaded it in. Now if you go down here, you can see that the brush effect shows up here. You can click on it and there you go. There is the new brush type. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.